Boy, do I have a story time for you guys. But before I get to that, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If this is the first video you've ever seen of mine, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. This is going to be part 2 of my move-in vlog. So if you haven't seen part 1, it will be linked somewhere up above and then down below in the description for you to go check out. So guys, real quick, a little empty apartment tour or townhouse tour. This is going to be our living room. There's the kitchen. There's the powder room. It literally smells like fresh paint. New construction, obviously. There's our closet, extra storage room. We're going to put like the plants up there. Another glance at the kitchen. New appliances, a little ice thing here. We have a window, a little pantry, and this is laundry. So we actually have like a legit laundry room this time. That's nice. Let's go upstairs. There's one of the bedrooms, closet. That's the conclusion of the tour. Progress. I brought some stuff up. The movers came down to organize. I'm so out of breath. This is the progress on the closet. Stacked as much as I could in here. And it just has stuff that's either going in my desk or staying here in a closet. And then the vanity desk. Yeah, that's the little update. Now I'm going to start organizing the bathroom. That way at least that will be done by the end of tonight. And I can work on neat test tomorrow. So I have it for school this week. And then I can work on the closet gradually throughout the week. And then when my parents come, we'll just like finalize whatever else needs to happen. So that's kind of the game plan for the next 7 or so days. So guys, another little update. It is about 6 or something. This is the progress in the room. My bed won't be constructed until next week because I don't have the supplies needed. So I'm just gonna be on this mattress. These are some empty bins I've cleared today as I've been focusing, as you guys saw, in the bathroom, trying to get that together. And I have my little cart here. I'm getting the counter, did underneath the sink. So the bathroom, for the most part, is put together. Just trying to go ahead and clear off this spot. Put the TV over here because this is where it's actually gonna live. I did want to show you the closet. So here's what we're working with in the closet. I didn't really explain it well earlier, but basically I have my vanity desk here because it fits. And then right now this is kind of like the holding station for all the stuff I haven't unpacked yet, but it's all closet related. I have like clothes up there that needs to get unpacked, more closet stuff, more like decor, off-season stuff. And then these drawers, all these are things that go in them. So I need to work on that tomorrow. And then I have test stuff here, bedding for the bed that's just gonna live there for the moment, and then more bedding. That chair's there. I have a few bathroom things to go. That's been my goal today, is just to kind of get the bathroom together because I'm like, at least I can shower, be ready. That's why I put that as number 1. And after that, I'm going to be focusing on tomorrow, desk and closet. I have some work I still need to get done before the week starts again. Those are my goals throughout the next 7 days. This is the update downstairs. We have just everything that needs to get put away for the kitchen on the counter there. We've configured the living room somewhat. We have the TV here and then like a couch here, and then I'm sitting on a couch, so they're kind of like parallel to each other. We kind of are figuring out if we like this. That's basically what we got going on down here. Back there's some more boxes behind the sofa, but luckily because of this setup you can't see them. Updates to come if we decide to keep it this way or not. Thus far this morning I started doing a little bit of organizing with my desk. When I woke up, I went to Ingles, picked up a few groceries, which is where I am right now, and got some Starbucks because there's Starbucks in there. And while I was doing that, once I was about to leave and exit, my drink literally spilled all over the aisle. That was real cute, but I was able to get a new drink, clean it up, all that. All is well. Now we're gonna head back to the house. Got this beautiful white chocolate mocha, ice white chocolate mocha latte with sweet cream cold foam venti, because I know we're gonna need a lot of energy today. We need to do tons of unpacking because tomorrow is Monday, so obviously it's school week and I won't have enough time to really make a dent into organizing, getting things unpacked. It is 10:28 right now, so I will stop the rambling and get to the montage. Update is a lot later. We got a ton done downstairs, like in the kitchen. Goal again was to kind of set up the desk area, and I think I've done just that. And that's the fan making that noise. If you're wondering, I'm debating about not doing the bookshelf thing like I've done the past 2 years, but getting like a little rolling thing for over here because I really don't want to block the window. That's kind of my thought process on that right now. I'm gonna look on Amazon and see if they have maybe like a rose bowl or even like Home Goods, TJ Maxx, check there. We'll see if I change my mind on that within the week. Hello guys, good morning. It is Friday, what day is it? Friday the 10th. I'm going to be going to the store running to get some stuff. It is 8:44. Gonna go to 2 stores this morning, and then this afternoon we're gonna get this room together. Like I said, all that's gonna be unloaded, unpacked by the end of this weekend. But definitely the bed's gonna get constructed. All that's gonna get fixed. I'm gonna go grab breakfast, eat that, head out, go to these stores, grab what I need to grab, and then I'm gonna come back here. Need to finish editing part 1 of this video. I like rough edited yesterday, so I had music, make the thumbnail, upload it so you can see it on Sunday. And I think that's pretty much the agenda for the day. Let's get it started. I'm done with the Walmart trip. Now on to Marshall's. Got this mini chopper. Figured this would be good for us in the kitchen. Some pillowcases and the sheet set. There's a closet, air freshener, and some soft soap to put in my bathroom. Midday update. I'm eating my lunch. Leftover smokehouse baked beans from Publix I got the other day. And then I just picked up some wings at a local pizza place down the road. That's lunch. And then we're gonna pick a YouTube video to watch. So this is the progress that we did on Sunday. It was so chaotic I couldn't vlog it, but I wanted to show you kind of what it looks like in general. Before I continue on with the day, you can see I have my lunch bowl there that I'm going to take downstairs when I'm done studying, which I was currently doing, but I wanted to pause before the sun goes down to show you guys. So obviously the bed is now raised, made, all that stuff. We have this rug that I got from Five Below my freshman year and just laid it out here. Looks really cute. You know how I said I thought we weren't going to be able to use this? Well, we've made it work. And now it's like my bookshelf that has all of my desk supplies and things here, as you can see. And then I kind of spruced it up with a few decorative items, hit or miss there as well. We stuck the lamp here by the door so we can add some light here. Fills in the space well, but then also keeps it nice and minimal, which I love. We have my TV over here, some candles you can see hiding over there, a little tray that I usually keep my keys in, but right now they're in my bag for the moment. Mask, some snacks and some water there, sunglasses and stuff, nightstand. We have my little chair, which I'm going to be doing tons of editing and stuff. That's why there's mouses and stuff over there. Book bag's over here for the moment. This is my current chaotic setup, but normally this is a lot more clear, less cluttered, but that's the reality of studying. My backrest there. Over here, I have my laundry basket going on. Here's some bags from this weekend that I still haven't unpacked. I'm going to be doing tomorrow. Then into the closet. So once you enter the closet, we have towels over here, have some bins, a few things we still want to do. Obviously, I want to hang decorative items and stuff, and so we're going to do that a little bit later on, but we wanted to get the functional stuff done this past weekend, and so that's exactly what we did. So all of my hanging clothes are hung. I have down here the trunk, some other stuff, a shoe rack. I have my ring light there, my little makeshift dresser, if you will. My goal was to try to make this glam closet somewhat, so I put the vanity desk in here, have my drawer in here like it was before, tons and tons of mirrors, so it helps it feel open. If I stand here and see myself in all the mirrors. That's how that is. This is gonna get put up in one of those bins up there, but I haven't taken the moment to go and stick it up there, so it's there for right now. A few of like my watches are in here, rings and stuff. I'm liking how it's turning out. Overall, very cute. Again, it's now super functional, which we love. All that I'm missing is doing the decorative stuff. That's the update. I did want to provide that, even though I didn't vlog and was hustling and bustling, getting as much as we could done. This is probably going to be the conclusion of this moving vlog, but I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you did, remember to give a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and until next time, I will catch you guys on the flip side. Bye guys.